Hi everyone, it's Peter from D&G Motorcars Limited. So what we got here then? This is the car what you buy when you're going for your test or you've just passed your driving test. You've just passed it, and what do you want? You just want to get in your car, get on the road and put to the test the skills what you've learnt. This is a Clio 1.2 iMusic. So iMusic, you've got a few features like alloy wheels, chrome features along here, chrome mirrors on the outside, so it's a little bit more than just your standard Clio. The beautiful thing about it, it's a 1.2 petrol engine, which means your road tax will be fairly low. It's about £120, which is not bad for a petrol engine. 1.2, so your insurance isn't going to be too bad as well, which is crucial because you passed your test. Insurance is always expensive when you first pass your test, so it keeps that down, and it's low running costs, so the fuel consumption's very good. And if I was buying this for my son or daughter, then I'd be quietly confident, unless they are completely stupid, they're not going to roll it into the hedge bottom. So what does it come with? I've already mentioned the chrome feature. It's got 5 doors, so you can easily get in and out. It's just a very nice car. This is on for sale at $2,995. You can check out our website at d&gmotorcars.co.uk for more pictures and more information. It's only done 40,000 miles, so it's not even been worn in yet. So partial service history, 2 main dealer stamps. It's got an MOT until next April, so you got trouble-free motoring for 10 months with the MOT. It's only done 40,000 miles, so you've got another 60,000+ miles in front of you if you so wish. It's in black, it's a great colour, looks absolutely mint when it's clean, as do all black cars in fairness. And yes, it's just a great car for the first time buyer, or if you're wanting to add another car to your car family. There's not much more I can say about it. Loads of room. It's got powered Bluetooth. It's got the features for playing music through your phone. So yeah, just a great first car, and it's the type of car I'll be looking for my son, who's currently at university. He's passed his test. He's just looking around to see what's available. So so let's put it this way. What car can you get under £3,000? What's just done 40,000 miles only? 2 main dealer service stamps and 10 months MOT. If you want more information, give us a tinkle, visit our website. I'm Peter, or you can speak to my partner Andrew. It's D&G Motorcars Limited, and we look forward to hearing from you. And as always, please drive carefully. See you soon.